So it's a preparation exercise that we're conducting here this week in Farnham. It was a critical event. It was an airplane crash for which we had to actually deploy our soldiers so that they could provide first aid. They could actually evacuate. That's what we're seeing right now. The personnel ensuring perimeter security, interact with any local authorities that would be injected in the scenario. So, and all the prep prior to deploying our soldiers in a deliberate manner, like soldiers do, and the after action reporting on the incident. So basically that's what we're seeing now, a reaction to a plane crash for which our role is basically to save lives. There are many gains. Confidence, leadership is experienced and applied, competence, and at the end, cohesion. The foundation of that support element is 5 Service Battalion, yes. But we've been gathering people from across the province to actually form that support element, and it's a new group. It's been only a couple of weeks, and cohesion is a basic aspect of the military. We want to be effective, and that we're gaining. So through that bit, yes.